Starting with a piece of tape on the outer corner of the eye and then applying black eyeshadow on. Using a small brush to create a wing shape on the outer corner. Going back to a flat brush to smoke out the black eyeshadow. Bringing the eyeshadow all the way to the crease line. Layering a burgundy hue right next to the smoked out black eyeshadow. Softening the edges of the black shadow until both of the hues look seamless. Continuing the blending towards the center of the eyelid. Perfecting the eye look even more with copper shimmer placed on the inner corner. This ombre is getting so beautiful. Making sure that the transition between the hues is flawless. Using a flat angled brush and gel liner to line along the upper lash line. The wing matches so well on the look. All the details are gorgeous and very bridally. Focusing on the lower lash line some more. Smoking the lower lash line and then making the inner corner sparkle. More sparkles on the center of the lid. So beautiful! Perfect for your important day.